Hello, welcome back in this sunny day. Finally, there is a spring in UK. I mean the summer, because there is no spring no more in UK. So today we visit Old Sarum Castle and Old Wardour Castle. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, we are on Old Sarum Castle. Well, this castle is more like, I will say, flat ruins, because it's just like a foundation and a couple walls left. It was a huge oval-shaped Iron Age hill fort, protected by equally massive banks and ditches, and might have been established here about 400 BC. It was then occupied shortly after Roman conquest of Britain, AD 43, when it became known as Sorvidianum. As I said, it's like a flat. It's just like a, look like it's just a foundation left. There is some walls there, but yeah, more like foundation left. And what is cool here, it's nearby castle there's airfield, and already saw maybe four airplanes landing. And there is one more thing, I can see the what is called you know, the guys who jumping from plane with a parachute. So yeah, there's a lot of them. I wanted to film with a drone, but I didn't know there is airfield nearby. I'm not so experienced drone pilot, but I can fly. I think even if you are experienced, I don't think so. You should fly close to the airports or airfields, because yeah, it's dangerous. You know, you never know what can happen. Saxons used the site for protection against Viking riders, and the Normans added a stone curtain wall and built a castle on top. King Henry I added a royal palace, and the Norman cathedral was constructed towards the western end of the mound. That's how the cathedral looked like in those times. Now it's just a foundation. The views are beautiful around the castle, especially right there behind my back. As you see, is like a yellow flowers. The castle fell out in use in 1540 and was sold for materials by Henry VIII. So that's the castle on the top of the hill, and this is the cathedral. In 1219, the cathedral was demolished in favor of a new one built closer to the river, then called a New Salisbury or New Sarum. Now basically there was two cathedrals. The first one, I think it was built 1110, between 1110 and 1135. The Bishop Roger built extension for the cathedral. You need to come here and just see by yourself how it looks like from the ground level. So we are on the Old Wardour Castle. Built in the 14th century by John Lord Lovell as a lightly fortified luxury residence with lavish entertainment in mind. The castle is very similar to Nanny Castle. It's also like a square, almost identical. I'm start comparing the castles when I visit, but you know, sometimes you can see the castles almost is the same. The structure, the building, how it's built. It's a very impressive castle. I like ruins. I don't know why, but I have more interest in ruins than well-preserved castle. I like the writings. Sometimes you can find the writings on the wall, like a date or the name. Oh, there is one, 1959. 1859. That's crazy. Imagine how old it is, the writings. 1943 USA. The castle comprises a 5-story tower around a central courtyard, and in its day was one of the grandest, most innovative homes in England. The castle later was remodeled as an Elizabethan manor by the Arundel family. What we have here looks like there was a toilet. It's what it looks like. Chinese or maybe Korean, no idea. In 1643, parliamentary troops under Edmund Ludlow took control of the castle, but the Arundel heir Henry led a counter-siege. The defenders held out for over 3 months until gunpowder set in a drain tunnel under the castle was accidentally set alight. The subsequent explosion broke down 2 towers and badly weakened the castle structure. Arundel family ended up building a new Wardour castle to replace it in 1776. I thought there is access, but as I found out it is on private land, so I can show you very close to how the castle is look like. I think if you Google it, you will see some pictures there. But the funny thing is that it's not a castle at all. It's a symmetrical neoclassical country house. So yeah, that's cool. The remains of old castle were integrated into the surrounding parkland as a romantic ruin feature. Did you know that the movie Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves was some part of the movie was filmed in this castle? If you can check it out, I think I saw it on YouTube. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you on next video.